In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in a Smartsheet form. This is a handy skill to know, especially if you're looking to provide additional context or resources directly within your form without cluttering it with unnecessary text. Adding hyperlinks can be particularly useful in the form's title's description, headings, or field help text, allowing you to direct your respondents to specific websites or files that might aid them in filling out the form correctly. Let's get started. First, you'll want to decide where you want your hyperlink to appear. Remember, this can only be done in non-input areas of the form. So think about using the form title's description, where you might provide an overview or context for your form. Alternatively, consider inserting hyperlinks in headings or the field help text, where you can give the respondents additional instructions or support links. Once you've identified the appropriate location for your hyperlink, it's time to craft the display text. This is the text that people will see and click on, so make it inviting and clear, like "click here" or "read more." Keep it concise and relevant to the information or web page they'll be directed to. After typing your display text, the next step is to highlight it. This is crucial because you'll be linking this specific text to your URL. Highlighting effectively selects this text as the placeholder for your link. Next, look for the link icon, which often resembles a chain link. This icon is your gateway to turning your plain text into a clickable link. Go ahead and click it. Clicking this icon will bring up a pop-up window where you'll be prompted to enter your URL. Make sure to type or paste the full web address here. It's important that the URL is correct so that the link takes your respondents exactly where they need to go. A common mistake is leaving off crucial parts of the URL, such as the HTTPS. So double-check this before moving on. Once you've entered the complete URL, you're almost finished. Just hit Save. By doing this, you finalize the hyperlink, officially linking your display text to the web address you provided. Your hyperlink should now be functional. Feel free to test it by viewing the form as a respondent would. Click the link to ensure it directs you to the intended destination. This simple process can significantly enhance the usability of your forms, allowing you to provide additional resources or guidance. Now, your forms can direct users to web pages for more comprehensive instructions or details, helping to facilitate a smoother data collection process. So next time you design a form, consider using hyperlinks to enrich the experience for your users. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.